Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. You see, can we just inhale this look? Can we just inhale this look? It came out so well, it came out so nicely. Now my voice is going to be trailing off because I have a cold, but I am excited about how this look came out. Give me 5 seconds, man. Let's inhale the look. Now I don't know what to call it exactly because there's glitter going on in there, there's cat crease going on in there, but hey, I love it and I hope you do too. Okay, so we're jumping into the tutorial now. Alright, so here's me using fawn as a primer. Okay, now I went in for fawn because it's about 3 or 4 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I wanted the colors to show properly on my skin tone. Okay, so yeah, now it's difficult for color to show properly on women of color, and so you can also use a white concealer. Alright, so I'm just blending that LA Girl Pro Conceal in fawn, and then I'm going to set it with my Maybelline loose powder in medium deep. I'm beginning to love the Maybelline loose powder though. It's so fine and it sets well, it's so smooth as well. So yeah, now I'm just going to set it and we are going to jump into using the color. Now I'm going to use that pink, purple and blue from the Morphe 35B palette. So here's me just using the pink as a transition shade. I'm just going, you see how the color just pops really nicely, like it shows true color. That is because of the base that we have, and I'm going to blend that purple and pink together, and I'm going into my Clarity palette and using that white in there for my cut crease. So we are going to look up, you know the trick, because we want to find where our crease naturally cuts, and then I'm going to cut that crease. Okay, so now I'm going to use that pink, purple and blue that I earlier showed you from the Morphe 35B palette, making sure to blend the colors well. Now you see, because the base was white, the colors are showing properly, and that is what we want. We don't want to struggle for the colors to show. So yes, okay, so this is the Cara glitter palette. I'm using that pink, purple and blue. We are just going to put it where we put the previous pink, purple and blue from the Morphe 35B palette. So respectively, where there's pink we put pink, where there's purple we put purple, and where there is blue we put blue. Okay, so I'm just darkening my crease with black eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to go in with that purple that we used previously to further darken it. And then of course I'm going to blend all that together using that pink eyeshadow. Okay, so here I am going in with my NYX Jumbo pencil in milk for my waterline and my lower lashes, because I want to put color there as well, and I want the color to show. So here I'm using the purple that I used, same purple, and then now the pink, same pink that we used earlier. Okay, so I'm blending both of those together now. So this, I use just 2 eyeshadow palettes, the Morphe 35B palette and the Cara Galaxy palette. Okay, now I lost the clip to do it my lip, but I used Lipland's matte lip crayon in Bitterberry. Yes, and I've just put my NYX Jumbo pencil in milk in the middle to give me that ombre effect. Okay, So here we are with the finished look. For the rest of my face, I went ahead to do it because I just wanted this video to focus on the eyes. Okay, so but I used the products that I used in my previous video. So here we are. Yes, feeling ourselves. Thank you. Okay, so I really like how this look came out. I hope that you enjoyed watching. Thanks for coming back every time to watch. Those who come and watch, I really appreciate all of you. Kindly like, subscribe. Okay, just subscribe. Is the red button below. Okay, so just hit the subscribe button, comment, share. Okay, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.